Basic English questions and answer. When do we leave? We go a little later. Is there is a bank nearby? Yes, there is. Where do you live? I live in Paris. What is it? It is a chicken salad. What is the date today? Today is 29th. How are you today? I am much better today. What is that? That's a Moscow. What did you say? I did not say anything. When will they come? They will come at night. Be used for sentences like will you be my friend, and sentences you and I will always be friend of. Today is the 1st of November. A I saw a bear today. I She is in her room. In that's in, not I. Yes. So to let's go to the park. I have a few questions. Too, I like her too. It is the sunny outside. I really like it here. That door is open for this letter is for you. You are really nice. He is my brother. All the sentences you see now.